One of Governor Kevin Stitt's priorities of the year was just struck down as unconstitutional.
The governor pushed a system of business courts through the legislature, but the state Supreme Court just halted the program.
New tonight, KOCO's Elise Jones broke down today's ruling and has lawmaker reaction to it.
Senate Bill 632, which was to create a business court so that we could have a more business-friendly state.
In May, the Oklahoma legislature passed and Governor Stitt signed Senate Bill 632 into law, creating two business courts, one in OKC and one in Tulsa. But 1 month after the governor signed it into law, a group of attorneys challenged it. Their argument, it violates voters' rights, since the judges spearheading the business courts would be appointed by the governor, not elected by the people. Now, after a months-long battle, Oklahoma's Supreme Court filed this opinion, agreeing the law is unconstitutional. Governor Kevin Stitt told KOCO Wednesday, this decision stands in stark contrast to our reputation as the most business-friendly state, and that there's still a path forward for business courts. But what does that look like? The opinion says there's 10 days to ask for a rehearing, and Senator Shane Jett says there's another avenue they could take.
We can bypass them, go directly to the people, and have it a vote to change the Constitution that they cite.
He says he believes the law was shot down because of political ideology, and creating business courts would not only help bring business to Oklahoma, but clean up a court system facing backlog.
Time is money, and if you're wasting time on a court docket that's overburdened, it's costing your business money. I strongly support Governor Stitt's efforts to have a business court so that, one, we can relieve some of the pressure in family courts, because we're going through a situation right now in Oklahoma where families are being hurt by DHS. Free that bandwidth up so that we can focus on getting businesses doing what they're supposed to, create jobs and wealth for the United States, and free up the court system so that we can get rid of the backlog.
We have the governor's full statement as well as the full opinion from the Supreme Court on KOCO.com. In Oklahoma City, Elise Jones, KOCO 5 News.